Hi, Derek Briggs here, Tsugami Product Manager, here to introduce an exciting new addition to the Tsugami portfolio, the BW329Z. This is a 32mm 9-linear axis machine. It is a chucker convertible machine with 330mm of Z1 stroke in guide bushing mode and 70mm of Z1 stroke in chucker mode. It also has an independent X and Y axis along with a Z3 axis on the rear gang slide that actually gives you 60mm of Z3 stroke. This is a total 9-axis machine and allows for 3 tools in the cut simultaneously. This allows for superposition, pinch milling, pinch turning, and a lot of other features, all while the back working tools are engaged in the cut as well. With the split slide capability, you have independent X, independent Y. So what you can do is you can actually call up the next tool on the opposite gang slide and have it prepped ready to go before your tool that's engaged in the cut finishes its actual cut. So as soon as that tool leaves, your next tool's in the cut, which gives you nearly a 0-second chip-to-chip time. There's nothing faster in the industry. The rear and back live tools are 1.9 horsepower. We bumped that up from the 1.5 horsepower. The main spindle bore is actually 39.6 millimeters, and that allows for max bar stock diameter to be ran through the machine without having to prep your bar ends. This machine weighs 11,460 pounds, which makes it the biggest 32mm in the market. This machine has an 8,000 RPM main and sub spindle, which allows you to run smaller bar stock as well and keep your surface footage up. And it boasts a 58-gallon coolant tank, so you'll never have any issues running out of coolant or supplying a high pressure pump. For those of you familiar with the Tsugami portfolio, the tooling zone in the BW329Z is the same as a B0326 Mark III. Familiarity is key when working on this machine. This machine also comes with a 31i FANUC control 3-path, so you can run 3 tools in the cut simultaneously. The BW329Z is very operator friendly by giving you the maximum amount of space when changing tools or working on the main spindle area, with a 32-inch wide main spindle door and a 31-inch wide tooling zone door. This gives you plenty of room for chucker changeovers and setting collet tension and changing over your main spindle collet as well. The independent Z3 axis allows for superposition control, which actually gives you the capability to drill and turn simultaneously, thread an OD and an ID simultaneously with different thread pitches, and also pinch mill, pinch turn, and drill and mill simultaneously, which slashes cycle times. The modular tool zone on the BW329Z allows for a lot of different attachments to be installed in the machine to tackle just about any job that comes across the table. Another benefit of the BW329Z is interchangeability. The rear-driven live tools and the back-working live tools are all interchangeable with some older Tsugami models along with newer Tsugami models as well. Some of these machines include S206 Mark II, S205 Mark II, B0326 Mark III, B0386 Mark III, along with many other machines as well. For more information on the BW329Z, please contact your local Tsugami distributor or visit our website at www.remsales.com. Thank you for your time.